In this video, I'll guide you through how to send an attachment larger than 25 megabytes in Gmail. If you've ever tried to send a big file like a long video, a folder of photos, or a high-resolution presentation and gotten an error that it's too large, this method will solve that problem using tools built right into Gmail. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the button labeled Compose. Click that to start a new email. This opens a small window where you can add your recipient, subject line, and message just like you normally would. Go ahead and fill those out so your email is ready for the attachment. Now, instead of worrying about the 25 megabyte limit, you're going to attach your large file as if you were attaching a regular file. At the bottom of the Compose window, look for the paperclip icon for attachments. Click that and a file browser window will pop up letting you choose a file from your computer. Navigate to the large file you want to send. This could be a video, a zip file, a large PDF, or any other file that's over the usual Gmail size limit. Select it and click open. At this point, Gmail will automatically recognize that the file is too large to send as a regular attachment. Instead of failing, Gmail will quietly switch to using Google Drive in the background for you. You'll see a small upload progress indicator appear at the bottom of the Compose window. This is Gmail uploading your large file to your Google Drive account. The time it takes will depend on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection. So if it's a really big file, give it a moment to finish. Try not to close the window or navigate away while it's uploading. Once the upload is complete, instead of showing a traditional attachment icon, Gmail will automatically insert a Google Drive link into your email. It will look slightly different from a normal attachment. Usually you'll see the Google Drive triangle icon next to the file name. This means the file is now stored in your drive and the email will send a link to it rather than the file itself. By default, Gmail will also try to set the sharing permissions so the recipient can access the file. If there's an issue with access, Gmail will usually warn you before you send, offering to adjust the sharing settings. You can click to allow anyone with the link to view the file or limit it to specific Google accounts depending on what you prefer. Take a moment to double check your email, confirm the recipient address, subject and message are correct, and that the Google Drive attachment link is visible at the bottom of the Compose window. When everything looks good, click the send button as you normally would. Your recipient will now receive an email containing a link to the file stored in your Google Drive instead of a bulky attachment. They can click the link to view or download the file, and you've successfully bypassed Gmail's 25 megabyte limit without needing any extra tools or services.